Okay, Jennifer, so what you're going to do, the first thing you need to do is you need to isolate the absolute value. So just like you would isolate a variable, you need to get this section of the problem by itself. So to do that, we're going to add 2 on both sides. And that leaves you with 10 minus 4x and that's an absolute value equals 11. Once you have the absolute value isolated, you're going to create 2 problems. You're going to set your absolute value, which is this, equal to a positive answer and a negative answer and solve for both. So what I would do is I would say 10 minus 4x equals 11. And then I would also have another problem that says 10 minus 4x equals negative 11. And then I would solve the problem. So the first thing I'm going to do, because this is a positive 10, I'm going to subtract 10 from this side. That cancels. Minus 10 from this side. So that leaves me with negative 4x. And 11 minus 10 equals 1. Divide by negative 4. Your answer is x equals negative 1/4. Then the other side, again, you're going to subtract 10 minus 10. Now you can't really subtract a positive number, so you would change your sign, change your direction, and that would give you negative 4x equals negative 21. And again, you would divide by negative 4 on this side. Divide by negative 4 on this side. The negatives cancel, leaving you with x equals 21 over 4. And this one was x equals negative 1/4. So that's how you would get your answers as fractions, even though you started off with whole numbers. And just let me know if you don't understand. Thanks.